I wanted to talk to you all today about tip outs. We get a lot of inquiries about this for refacing and redooring, and also it's a consideration with new cabinets. But I get asked, what is this? Oftentimes this piece of wood that's underneath your sink base cabinet. Sometimes it's one long board, sometimes it'll be two smaller. It's called a false front, and it's there for a purpose. If it wasn't there, if you had just tall doors, when you opened up your cabinet door, you would see the ugly part of the sink. So it's there to hide the metal part of the sink when you open your cabinet doors. It also can provide some extra storage for you. One of the requests that we oftentimes get is for a tilt out. And this space right here can accommodate a polymer tray that is actually can be removed and replaced over time. It's a great place to put your soap, sponges, or in a bathroom. It's also nice for toothpaste or hairbrushes or whatever you need to use that storage for. But it's a handy place to keep some of those unsightly things hidden. So you would see what you would see if you didn't have that. You would just have this ugly metal part of your sink. So when we're refacing or redooring, we are just going to measure that space, order a drawer front, and then put in special hinges that will accommodate a tray. Sometimes I will say there are situations where there is not enough room between the sink and the cabinet opening to accommodate. They make slimline trays, but if you have an older sink or a drop-in sink, sometimes there's just not enough room. But that's probably, I would say, less than 20% of the time. So most of the time we're able to do that. We do occasionally have folks that don't like this, and if you're one of them, that's fine too. This can just be stationary, where it does not open. And in those situations, I recommend no hardware so people aren't trying to pull on it. There are complaints that these are just catchers for germs, and they can be, but you can also take them out and wash them periodically and easily reinstall them. So if you're thinking about adding a new cabinet or updating your existing cabinets and you don't currently have this storage option, think about it and whether or not that would be something that you think would work for you in your home. Give us a call. We'll be glad to discuss the pros and cons with you. Have a great day.